Okay, so we're going to review length of a line. So I've put the equation up there for you. So we're going to do one, and then I'm going to leave you some time to do the other to double check. This is a really important skill. So we're going to start with line AB again, where A is -4, 4, and B is 1, -4. All right. So for those of you who are still struggling where to put your numbers, just label them. We've got our x1, y1, x2, y2. All right. And then we're going to substitute it into that formula. So the length is going to be the square root of x2, which is 1, minus x1. And x1 is -4, so we have 1 minus -4. And we're going to square all of that. And then we're going to add -4, -4, all squared. So when I do it on my calculator, I'm not going to bother with the square root to start with. I'm just going to put the brackets in, and then that's going to give me 89. So if you don't get 89, just double check what you're putting into your calculator. Once you've got that, you can take the square root of 89, and it gives you the length as 9.4. Now there's no meters or centimeters, but there are units. So the way I'm going to put my answer is line AB is 9.4 units long. 1 decimal place is what I'm rounded to. And that's going to be my answer there. All right. So what I'm going to get you to do is have a go at finding the length of CD and EF. So you pause the video, you work out your answer, then you start the video to get the answers. All right. So now's the time to pause. Hopefully you paused it, and then you come back to it, and I'm going to just quickly do line CD, which you should have got the square root of 2 minus -1 all squared plus 4 minus 2 all squared, which gives you the square root of 13. So line CD is 3.6 units to 1 decimal place. All right. Again, if you didn't get this bit here, you're doing something wrong on your calculator. Make sure you're adding your brackets. All right. Do the second one for you. Hopefully you did both. If you haven't, now's the time to pause, and you can have a go at doing line EF yourself. So EF is going to be the square root of 3 take away 3 all squared plus -3 take away 4 all squared. When you stick that bit in the bracket with the in your calculator with the brackets, you should get the square root of 49, and the square root of 49 is 7. So line EF is 7 units. All right, and we don't have to put to 1 decimal place. It doesn't have any decimal places. That's a really important skill that I need everyone to have. You need to practice. There's some practices in the previous weeks or on Education Perfect.